Alright everyone, this is Juan's Reef. I'm back. I got my gloves on and I'm gonna go ahead and take a look in this. Take a look here what we got. Some sponge there. You guys could see that. This bucket here. A lot of life on this rocks. Got some orange sponge. Smells really fresh. Leave it in here for now. Taking some water out here. Yeah, you got a lot of sponges. These rocks looks really, really good. Just dunk them in there for now. A couple more pieces here. These in this box. It's pretty full there. So we got another box to go through. All right. Got one more there. Everything looks good. Thank you, TBS. Alrighty. Set it up in my display tank here right after I QT the thing. Alright, thanks everyone. Have a good day.